In a groundbreaking discovery, astronomers found 62 moons orbiting Saturn. This brings the planet's total number of moons to 145, surpassing Jupiter, which has 95. The new moons are all very small, ranging from 1 to 10 kilometers in diameter. They're also very dark, suggesting that they're made of carbonaceous material. The discovery was made using the Subaru telescope in Hawaii. Astronomers used a telescope's powerful camera to search for faint objects in the outskirts of Saturn's rings. They found the new moons by looking for objects moving in the same direction as Saturn. The new moons are thought to be captured asteroids or comets. They may have been captured by Saturn's gravity millions or even billions of years ago. Scientists are now studying the new moons in more detail to learn more about their origins and composition. To get regular astronomical updates, follow the secrets of the universe.